Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make rice masa. This delightful dough is a staple in many cuisines, known for its distinct tangy flavor and wonderfully spongy texture. We'll be crafting it from scratch, starting with raw rice. You'll need a few key ingredients: uncooked rice, a small amount of cooked rice, yeast for fermentation, and some sugar to balance the flavors. It's a rewarding process that yields fantastic results for your culinary adventures. The first step is crucial for a smooth masa. Begin by washing about 2 cups of rice until the water is completely clear. Then soak this rice in fresh water for a minimum of 6 to 8 hours, or even overnight, to ensure it softens properly. After soaking, drain the rice well. Now, combine the soaked rice with approximately 1/4 cup of cooked rice in a blender. Add a bit of water and blend until you achieve a smooth, thick batter, which usually takes around 30 seconds. Once blended, transfer your rice batter to a large bowl. Now, it's time to add the magic. Mix in your yeast, sugar, and a pinch of salt. Cover the bowl and let this mixture ferment in a warm spot for about 2 to 4 hours. You'll know it's ready when the batter is visibly bubbly and has nearly doubled in volume. Just before you're ready to cook, gently stir in about a half teaspoon of baking powder to ensure your masa turns out wonderfully fluffy. To cook your masa, you can use a special masa pan or a regular non-stick frying pan, lightly oiled. Spoon small quantities of the batter into the pan, cooking for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side until it's beautifully golden brown and cooked through. Once prepared, cooked masa can be stored in an airtight container in your refrigerator for up to 7 days. For reheating, simply cover it with a damp paper towel and microwave for 30 seconds to 1 minute until soft.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.